Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing some more, but like different kind of beads. This time's the same beads, but different, kinds of beads. We're gonna be using this little flower thingy and like different big beads and a rose. So the color I'm going for today is purple, whitish clear, and silver. That's what I'm gonna be going for today. And I might do another bracelet on camera. I don't know yet, but we're gonna see. So stay tuned of what I'm going to be creating. I don't even know how it's gonna come out. So just stay tuned and we'll see what it's gonna be looking like. So what we're gonna be doing is using this size thread for this. And then what I'm gonna do is move this out the way. Hold on. That's the way I got it set up. I'm trying to see. And I'm gonna put this on first. And then yeah, I know how I'm gonna do it now. So I'm glad I got extra one of these. Extra ones on this side. Look, I just keep on making a mess. I want to know how y'all day going. And everything. I think I'm going to do this one all on camera. Because it's like it's fast. Yep, do it all on camera. I had these charms, for years, and I'm just now finding them. So I was like, let me go ahead and make something out of this, a bracelet out of this, to see what I come up with. So this is what I'm doing. I find stuff that I done had and stuff, and then I done had for a long time, and then I decide to use them. But I probably won't use these. I'll probably use it on a different bracelet thing. I don't know yet. I'm gonna see what I can do with them. I'm gonna see what I can do with them. What will go with that? Cause I'm not gonna put it in with this right here. Not gonna do that. Clip it off and pull it through. Yeah, Papa say you're so rough with the beads. Well, gotta pull it through somehow. This is what it's looking like right here. Yep, I think that's cute. Came out nice. I'm gonna come back and do 2 more. Might not, yeah, I'm gonna come back and do the other ones, the other 2 that I have an idea what I'm gonna do with that. So stay. So here goes the next patterning that I'm doing. Yes, I get better every time, huh? But this the next pattern that I'm gonna do. Y'all can let me know if y'all want any done. Y'all can hit me up on Instagram or TikTok. It's on my intro it's on my intro, my TikTok and my Instagram. If y'all want any made your colors that you want, and I'll make it happen for you. Send it off, just let me know and I'll tell you where to send the money or whatever. And you got you an order. I got me an order, you got your stuff. So yep. Yeah, just let me know. And I'll get it to you. How many you need, the colors, all that stuff. All that good stuff. About finished with this one. I'm trying to post more and more videos of the ideas that God gives me in my head, because I get straight to the point. I don't just, oh well, I'll do it later on. Nah, I get straight to the point when he puts an idea in my head. I always do. So here goes the other one. Let me dim the light so y'all can see it. So here go the other one. So, you see, just about the same color. I'm gonna do the next one. So I'll be back. Okay, this is what I have right here. But what I'm gonna do is use this. I'm gonna just stick the string through here because there's nowhere to put the junk ring. Or I probably can put the junk ring on here. We're gonna see together. We're gonna see together if we can, if I can put the front ring on this thing. If not, then hey, it'll be all right. Oh, where you going now? Run from me. Yep. See, just ring on it. So we'll be using that. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is thread it through all of these. I need to get me some what's them things? Needles to put my string through it and bring my beads on, cause these right here with my fingers, think you can get it done faster like that too. So we gonna see and invest in some stuff like that. I have more orders to do, but I have to get the charms and the beads for the colors that they want. Y'all want to help me out of getting some supplies? My stuff will be linked in the description of this video, like it is on the other ones, along with the site if you want any of them bracelets. That I have made. Because I see in some of my comments they ask, where can I order? Where can I order? And now that the links of the bracelets is in the description, you know, I don't hear nothing from them or anything. So if you really want any or would like to support my channel or whatever, you can do that. Just like I said, the link and stuff is in my bio. Well, in the description part, not bio, however you say it, but it's in the description. And I'm gonna call this one probably Purple Storm. I'm thinking Purple Storm. But I'm gonna pull y'all up. That's what it's looking like. That is cute. So you have this one, and this one, and this one. And I think it's cute. What do y'all think? On it. What I'm about to do is put the thing on there and put it in the bag. Sorry for the clicking noise in the back. That's my chair. I'm gonna put this on here. If anybody want it, let me know. I'm gonna put it in here. But yeah, this one's called Purple Storm. Well, and there you go. Thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.